Welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. You guys are in for a treat today. We are making smoked meatloaf. I'm not gonna eat it any other way, and you shouldn't either. Here we go. Okay, so we're ready to prep our pepper. We're gonna take it from this stage to this, slice it up, and then chop it real fine. All right, now we add our pork. That's just some ground pork, ground beef. We got our onion, bell pepper, jalapeno, and serrano. Going in with that breadcrumb. Y'all already know. Add that jalapeno kick, salt, pepper, garlic flavor. Don't be shy with it now. I'll just get in there and mix that up. Totally forgot the eggs. That's all right. Get that baby in and mix. 2 of them. Now let's mix it up. Woo! It's about to be good, y'all. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, now we're ready for our loaf pan. Just stuff that guy in there. Okay, now we're ready. Hit it with that barbecue. Yes, sir. Pat that baby down. We're gonna go one more layer with that jalapeno. Now we're gonna hit it with that BBq Rub on top. God, that smells so good. Okay, we are running at 250. We're gonna shut this baby down and let it roll. Also, shout out to my homie Chris for the pit boss. All right, y'all, and after a little over an hour and 20 minutes or so, this is what our internal temp said. So between 130 to 140-ish. So, close that lid, let that thing smoke on some more while we watch the sunset together. And now we've reached over 150 degrees internal, so now we are going to glaze that beautiful meatloaf with some of my favorite barbecue sauce on the market, and that is Blues Hog Smoky Mountain barbecue sauce. Get that sucker basted all over. And thank you guys so much for the support on this channel. We are doing our best to get a video out every week. So I hope y'all are enjoying it. And I wish y'all could smell this. It's so good. All right, so after about 15 to 20 more minutes, we have reached our desired internal temp of 165 degrees. So let's take this guy off the smoker and give it a rest so we can taste this thing. No, not the corner. There she is. And I know you want to bite because I want to bite.